So I was just chilling out, looking at where I wanted to go to next. Then I come across this photo, and I was like, whoa, I gotta go there. So I packed up my bag, called the Goose.
Jonny.
Hey bro, you're gonna have to meet me in Turkey. And after a couple of long flights, I was there. I met the bro, and we set off. Dude, I can pretty much grab the balloon. Just having a coffee with my mate Ahmed.
Mr. Ahmed.
Mr. Ahmed.
Tamam.
What can I say? Turkey was sick. In just a few days, I saw so much. From the city to the desert, some of the most insane landscapes I'd ever seen.
How are you?
Good, good.
You look Turkish.